So we've got a story for you, and it's a story of a bed in our house. So the kids move in and out of our house, as young people in their late 20s tend to do. But the trouble was that when Samantha moved out recently, she took her bed frame with her, a queen size bed frame, and beautiful bed frame that her brothers made for her, and all that's left is a mattress on the floor. Joshua's mattress on the floor. Well, that's no good. So we decided, let's buy a bed frame. Well, we did. We bought a bed frame. If Joshua moves out, that's fine. It can become a guest room with a nice bed frame. Trouble is, when it arrived in a flat pack, it was smashed. Badly smashed and damaged. And the company said, no, don't worry, we won't pick it up. Can't even pick it up. We'll just give you a full refund. So here we are. We've got a full refund and we've got a smashed bed. But like 85% of it's okay. So we've decided to try and restore it rather than just throw it out. It seems just a terrible waste. There's a lot of good timber in it. And we reckon we can restore it. And we're going to try and do that with some recycled timber. We're going to rebuild it. And, well, fingers crossed, it'll be good. And it can become Joshua's bed and it'll become a guest room if and when he moves out. So fingers crossed, here we go. It's the bed restoration.
Hopefully we're going to get a free bed or a bed just for the price of some recycled timber. Maisling Zoo Timber Yard. You'd go nuts, couldn't you?
The Timber Zoo.
The Timber Zoo. Oh, look at all this timber. Ooh. Tess and Cam might like those. Look, they're old piers, old wharfs. Ooh, we could stick them in the garden. Oh, look at those things.
What are they?
I don't know, but they look like a bargain.
What have you found?
Nothing.
So the trick is to find something that matches that in size. It's going to be like 5 times heavier though, because look at this solid hardwood.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Looking for a bed here. I'm trying to match the colour. I don't know.
Pretty close.
Bit of rustic, you know. I think that's what we're after, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like this bit.
Yeah.
They're both pretty cool.
I think the grains on this go with the grains on this.
The question is, will these do with a groove already in them? Have to cut the tongue off though, but maybe the groove would work. So they're trying to match that, which is smashed. There's a lot to choose from. So what have you found?
Look.
Matching colours.
That matches.
Geez, that's not bad.
That matches.
We done? Got what you want?
Gonna be the best bed in the world.
Best bed in the world, it better be. Look at that. Jeepers. So we've come to the home of the cleverest man we know, Mr. Andrew May, who's agreed to help us route these bits of timber to go around and replace those bits. What are our chances, Andrew? No comment. No comment from the builder. Don't question. You going rock climbing, Andrew?
No. Hopefully not.
So what's this for?
Just to make it run a bit smoother, so it should just sand off nicely.
I see you've got your work boots on, Sandy.
Well, you know, these boots are made for walking.
Hey Pip, thanks for lending us Andrew for the hour.
As I said, I wasn't using him at present, so you're fine.
No, go a bit deeper. So,
Still not deep enough.
it's always good to go this way.
carpenter.
Carpenter Joe.
What are you doing?
Stuffed your rhino.
Don't go through all the way. There is something satisfying about working with this recycled timber. I bet it was a tree, and then maybe it was a bridge, or a door, who knows, or a wharf, and now it's becoming a bed. I like that. I think that's cool. What we need is a builder or a carpenter to help us. Oh look, found one. Now drilling bigger dowel holes into the bed head. This is a critically important moment, Sandy.
Why don't you just put the dowels in the other end?
You've got to go in the shallow. The Grow Build and Design team. Location. Impressive. Now it's a Saturday night in January, and what are we doing? What are we doing? God. Hey, this is a romantic night. This is a date night.
As good as it gets.
Several Allen keys and a gorgeous blonde woman in a floral cotton dress.
And
Progress report, please. Oh, it's coming together. Oh, there you go. The recycle bed. Australian hardwood messmate on the foot and the bed head. Bit of Chinese engineering in the middle. I think that's bloody good. High five.
how much did it cost?
Cost about $140. Recycled timber from the Timber Zoo near Geelong. And a whole lot of people helping us. Well done, Sam. Thanks, that was fun.